don't you let Lacey have a turn?
I think it's an empty box, guys.
I did.
I think he's like, hey, it's my turn. She's so patient. It's her birthday, Shiner. It's not your birthday. We did good. Now you're gonna eat the box? We did good. We did good, Shiner.
Why don't you have a turn, Lacey?
You smell like pee. Maybe Lacey's not the one who's been shredding paper around here. Maybe it's been him. It's an empty box, buddy. There's nothing left in there.
There is a few crumbs I showed you.
I thought he got them out. He's opening the present after he's already eaten it. Oh, don't eat the paper. Oh, he found some peanut butter on the side there. That's what he's going for.
It's Lacey's. I think it's Lacey's turn, China.
I don't think he's interested in turns.
Lacey, your turn.
I wish I'd have had this camera out when they got into the brownies. Yep, he got it open, didn't he? So he can lick it. Both of them. Partners in crime.